Hello, welcome back to Win CompXM 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips, the details guide to win on round from round 1 to round 4. The winning tip number 3. You can check the previous video for winning tip number 1 and number 2. Check the industry condition report, most important. Check the query report, the second most important. And now we know tip number 3. Update to IND, add new product for product to win and performance and size. I show you the details, right? I show you the detail now, you see. So we have added 4 new product in round 1, right? 4 new product in round 1 in IND, right? And also we check set the marketing now, right? We calculate the sales forecast also. And now we have winning tip number 3. Update product for product to win. Marketing, we set winning tip number 4. Marketing, promotion and sales forecast calculation. And winning tip number 5, production schedule by new capacity, update automation. This is very important to win right from round 1, so I show you now. You see the name production here, right? You remember the Excel file from the previous video. If you don't watch the video number 1, number 2, part 1 and part 2 of the round 1. So now we have calculation, the sales forecast and inventory. So now we have the production schedule. We put that in quite simple, right? 9H1 and 2247. Again, I say that 100 times, do not copy this number. You know the strategy, but you need to use the number from your game from here, start from here, right? And the report here, right? And the number may be a little bit different to this, but quite close, right? So now we need to add the new capacity for the new stock, nano, elite, trip, and core and nano, elite, right? So trip here, right? And trip 6, core 5, nano, elite 4. So this one we put 300, the more 900, 700 and 300. Trip has the largest capacity, right? We check that and then we check the total budget here. We have the limit of the budget here, so we use the bone, right? Trip, and then that's the for production. And for HR we use 5080 hours. I show you now, right? 5080 hours, right? 5080 hours is the max we can use, right? So we get the best workforce, the max we can use. We get the best workforce, 5080 hours. And for the finance, we issue the stock in round 1, and we pay some dividend, issue the long-term debt, use or issue the long-term loan, right? And then we get enough cash here to operate, right? 14,700, right? We get that. So we get stock issue, max stock issues, pay some dividend, max current debt, max long-term loan. So we can get that. And for TQM we use 1,000 for all of them. For TQM we use 1,000 for all of them, right? We can use around that 1,000 is okay. Around 1,000. Total is 4,000 for 4 rounds. So it depends on you, right? And now we get the performer income. We can get very high sales and profit here, 195, and then good sale contribution margin 35% and good profit. We are spin stand strongly for round 1 and round 2 and get top result in round 4 and 5. So that's overview for all the winning tips in round 1. Very important, you can win that. Remember, finance we use 3 sources of fund: pay dividend and retire long-term debt later, right? And winning tips number 8, TQM use 1,000 for all of each of the own 10 initiative, total 10,000, right? IND is the most important thing, both price and production. Second important thing, HR, finance, TQM support that. And winning tip number 10, the query report. You need to read that each round to complete quizzes, right? So I just show you all the decision for round 1 IND, round 1 marketing, round 1 production, round 1 HR, finance, and TQM. You will get top results like this on the screen, right? You get top results, and then you can continue for round 2, 3, 4 very easily, right? To win the top result in CompXM around 90, 900 and 950 out of 1,000, right? So if you have any question, you send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1. Check the other video for the details guide and tip for round 2, 3 and 4. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.